In this video, we'll look at how to use the Yak Chat Lightning app in Salesforce. To get started, open the Salesforce app where the Yak Chat Lightning app has been installed and navigate to the app that Yak Chat has been added to. At the bottom of the screen, you'll see a Yak Chat tab. Click this to launch the Lightning app. The app works in the same way as Yak Chat in your browser. You can send messages directly to Salesforce Contact by opening the contact list, heading to your Salesforce contact list, choosing a contact, and selecting Message. When you receive an inbound message, you'll get a notification on the Salesforce notification bell and the Yak Chat tab. You'll also be able to view all inbound Salesforce messages directly within the app, keeping all your conversations in one place. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe for more tutorials.